How to clean your home before selling. A strategic approach that sells. You're getting ready to sell your home. The sign is about to go up. The photographer is booked. And soon, potential buyers will walk through your front door. So here's the million-dollar question. Is your home clean enough to sell? Because when it comes to real estate, a proper clean isn't just about tidiness. It's about presentation, perception, and profit. Today, let's walk through a pro-approved plan for cleaning your home before it hits the market, so it sparkles in every photo and inspection. Start with a system, not a spray bottle. Cleaning for sale isn't like your weekly tidy up. This is a top-to-bottom, high-impact clean designed to highlight your home's best features and remove every trace of daily life. The key? Structure. Clean each room from top to bottom. Work left to right so nothing's missed. Do dry work first, like dusting, then wet, like wiping and mopping. Finish each space by backing out through the door. This method saves time, avoids duplication, and ensures every buyer sees your home at its best, no matter which room they enter first. Declutter as you clean. Less stuff equals more space. As you clean, remove excess decor, bulky or unnecessary furniture, overfilled shelves, cluttered countertops obey. Buyers want to feel space, not your lifestyle. Every clear surface helps buyers imagine their life unfolding in your home. High-impact areas to prioritise. Entryway. Sweep the porch, clean the door, wipe the mat. First impressions happen here. Bathrooms. Remove soap scum, polish mirrors, clean grout, and make every surface sparkle. Think. Hotel bathroom, kitchens, degrease stovetops, empty and clean the fridge, wipe cupboards inside and out, and make sure bins don't leave behind smells. Windows. Clean both sides. Natural light cells. Floors. Vacuum edges and corners. Mop tiles. Steam clean carpets for freshness and impact. These are the areas buyers focus on most, and the places that either build confidence or plant doubt. The little details. Buyers never miss you, might not notice them anymore, but buyers will. Light switches and doorknobs, window tracks and sills, baseboards and skirting boards, ceiling corners and fans, inside closets, drawers and appliances. If they're dusty, sticky, or grimy, they send the wrong message. If they're clean and fresh, buyers assume the rest of the home is just as well maintained. Create a sense of calm, not just clean. Once everything's spotless, go one step further. Open windows for fresh air. Add subtle scent diffusers, nothing too strong. Fluff pillows and straighten throws. Light a clean candle before showings. Turn on soft lighting to warm the space. Buyers aren't just inspecting, they're imagining. Make your home feel peaceful, inviting, and easy to fall in love with. Should you DIY or hire professionals? If you're short on time, overwhelmed, or want guaranteed results, professional presale cleaning is a smart investment. It can save hours, eliminate stress, impress agents and buyers, increase your perceived value. Remember, you only get one first impression. Let it be spotless. Final thought. Clean with purpose, sell with confidence. Your home deserves a send-off worthy of the years you've spent in it. So before the photos, before the buyers, before the sale, clean like it counts, prepare like a pro, and watch your home become the one everyone remembers. Because a clean home doesn't just show better, it sells better.